Hi YouTube land, this is the second week in a row that I've done a video. It's amazing. Well, and it's another unboxing video. I've been sent a gift. So I got quite a surprise this week when one of my subscribers actually sent me something through the post. It came this week and I haven't had a chance to have a look at it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Thank you to my subscriber, you know who you are, thank you very much for that. They wish to remain nameless and anonymous. But yes, thank you, I'm very grateful for your donation, thank you very much. Anyway, they sent me this thing. It was going to go in the bin, so that they thought of me and messaged me and said I'd like to send you this thing. And say I haven't had a chance to have a look at it yet, but they sent me this. Another helicopter, 6-channel job. I haven't had a chance to browse through the box yet, so this is pretty much how it came, sans packaging. So let's take a browsey, shall we? Right, well you'll have to forgive the mess on the bench. I'm actually doing a few things. Got Project Big Brute underway amongst other things as well. So right. Let's have a look at this. It's the WL Toys V950. And before I open it, actually, let's have a quick look at the box. I'll quick show you the box. Right. So that's the back of the box. It's part of the Explorers series of flight, as we can see on the 2.4 gig, 6-channel, 3D brushless. 3 axes and 6 axis gyro. Runs on 3S. Propeller length, I think they mean rotor blade, don't you? Propeller length 460. So what would that be? That would be almost like a 250 size as we know it in helicopter world, I think. I could be wrong. I've kind of forgotten about helicopters for a little while. As we can see, there's some stuff on the end. You get a radio in there. Hopefully it's not just a box of ricin or some kind of like poisonous chemical, and it is actually a helicopter. If it is a box of ricin, you won't see much more of me after I've filmed this. Right, so we have, again, thank you for the donation, Mr. Subscriber. Very well received, thank you. I'm really appreciative. They did say that it was going to end up in the bin because they'd had a go, and it really wasn't for them. So they thought I'd send it somewhere useful. That was a servo in a bag. So that's kind of nice. Brand new servo. Wow. In fact, another 2 brand new servos in bags. Oh, it's like Christmas. What else we got? We have what looks like some kind of that looks like the rotor head to me, and the old cap, the old disc that goes on the top. And we have some rods, push rods, probably for like pitch and everything. We have another bag here which has got couple of carbon fibre bits, they might be skids or something, and some more push rod gubbins. That's in a bag, nicely sealed up there. Shaft, possibly either a feathering shaft or a main spindle. Not sure. There's another one there. Just 2 of them. That's like Christmas. And we have another head assembly. I think that's what it is. And we have cable. Looks like some kind of battery or servo cable. No, it's not a servo cable, is it? A battery. Some kind of balance lead, and we have what looks to me here like the blades and blade grips, basically. Sans shaft, sans head unit. So there we go. Blades all intact, just plastic ones, but yeah, it's cool. That doesn't matter a thing, does it? Well, look, it's still got the cellophane over the top, the old cellophane casey thing. So that's cool. Let's put that to one side. Off camera, my workshop's in a bit of a mess. Okay, in here again, wow, some more goodies in a bag. We have another bag of rotor blades with a tail rotor in, main rotor, and some other associated gears. Check that out. All in a bag. still heat sealed, so it came from the factory. A little Allen key in there as well, so that was bought brand new. And we have the helicopter itself. I'll get to that in a moment. And here is, by the looks of things, the radio. So we've got your typical almost rubber ducky aerial. Hasn't got any batteries in the radio by the looks of things. We've got a little screen on the bottom, so it's fully adjustable with all your buttons on the side here. Look. And yes, it's proper 6-channel by the looks of things. It's quite small actually. I'm not used to having a helicopter radio that small. It's a lot smaller than my Spectrum. I've got an old DX6i, but it's a lot larger than that, but it doesn't matter. Oh, there are batteries in there. And they're rechargeable ones. Oh my. I might message him and see if he wants them back. Well, they're unexpected. Well, the whole thing's unexpected, really, to be honest. So let's just grab a screwdriver. Because I'm professional, I'll grab an Allen wrench instead. And just up them out. Don't really want to leave them in there. Might be able to charge them up. So yeah, typical standard 2.4 radio, runs on four batteries. But yeah, there you go. It's a radio. It's all in one piece. It's not broken. The box isn't full of ricin or anything else. Right, thankfully. Anything under the box? What's that? Push rod kicking around in the bottom. There we go. So that's another spare thing. But yeah, let's just pop that back in there. And here we have the helicopter. Right, let's take a closer look at that. The S Works mat. Yes, that's right. I'd like to thank Peter and Carl up at Answer RC for that. Anyway, let's carry on with the video for what we're here for. This is the WL Toys V950, as it came in a box, very kindly donated to me by a subscriber. So let's whip the canopy off and have a nosy. Oh, it's got two mounting points. Right, so let's have a look underneath here. We seem to have servos in there already on the collective. So I don't know why the new ones are there. You didn't say. So we control board there and a little mini brushless motor. So that's all there. It does actually have a head on it as well. One thing I didn't see is a feathering shaft. So, but might be one of those shafts. That seems to spin all right. That's kind of cool. Battery missing, but I'm sure I could find one of those. I'm going to see if I can make use of this helicopter and go in my little helicopter collection. Really must get out there, really. It all seems to be all connected. As we can see, nothing cut up or massacred or anything. You know, you never know, do you, when you get these things? Never know if someone's like mullered them. On an associated note, I had when I was at school, I had a friend who bought a Tamiya boomerang off some other like schoolmate. And we went around his house, and it had all the plugs cut off the servos. So yeah, that's kind of attitude from some people. Driven tail. Feels a bit tight, but I'm sure I can have a look at that. And there we go. Bevel mechanism in there, just clicking around on the teeth. I want shimming up or filing back or something just to separate it a bit, but that's not really a problem, is it? But that's cool. I like that. Canopy seems in one piece. Not been in trees or down the road or in the creek or anything. Looks brand new. So I'm well pleased with that. Thank you very much to my subscriber who donated that to me. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. So that is the unboxing of a little donation given to me this week by a subscriber. I'm I'm actually a little bit overwhelmed that I've been donated something and given something. I'm very grateful and appreciative. It's amazing. Thank you. I will, of course, get it up and going, and that could be another thing for another video further down the line when the weather gets a bit better. But yeah, I'm super amazed that I've been gifted this. Thank you very much to you, you out there, if you're watching, which you should be because you're a subscriber, so you will see this video pop up. So yeah, thank you very much. I'm really chuffed, and it's another thing to add to the. It's in the queue, isn't it? For the. It's in the queue along with the Monster Beetle and last week's unboxing. Anyway, in the meantime, if you'd like to do that, that'd be fantastic. Anyway, thank you very much. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.